Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ricky, and today we're going to cover a tough but important topic. What to do if you're in a car accident in Texas and the other driver does not have insurance. Believe it or not, the situation happens more often than you think. And knowing your rights can make a big difference because insurance costs are going up. People are trying to get around by not getting insurance, and it causes an issue. Texas law mandates that drivers carry minimum liability insurance. But again, not everyone follows those rules. In fact, thousands of drivers in Texas roads are either uninsured or underinsured. So what happens if one of them crashes into you? You may be left facing a mountain of expenses with no obvious way to recover damages. And that's where your own insurance policy is going to come into play. So UM or UIM, which is uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist, is optional in Texas, but it's highly recommended. You can add this to your policy, and this coverage protects you when the at-fault driver has no insurance or not enough coverage to pay your losses. Often your policy may include it automatically, so read your policy. It can cover your medical bills, it can cover lost wages, or even pain and suffering. So if you've been hit and the other driver is uninsured, your first step should be checking your own policy for uninsured motorists or underinsured motorist coverage. Following a UM or UIM claim is not like dealing with the stranger's insurance company. It's your own insurer. But that doesn't mean they're just going to hand over money. They're not your friend. They're a business. In fact, these claims can be very surprisingly adversarial. Insurance companies may delay, deny, or lowball your claim. That's why having legal representation is still just as important. Even when dealing with your own provider, Texas law may allow you to stack uninsured or uninsured motorist policies in certain situations, so you could have both. For example, if you have multiple vehicles under the same policy, or your household includes others who have similar coverage, you may be able to tap into those limits as well. But this requires careful analysis and negotiation, something a seasoned personal injury attorney is going to know, but a normal layperson will not. We recently handled a case where a client was hit by an uninsured driver during a hit and run. That's not good, right? The client didn't know she had the UM or UIM coverage, and her insurance company initially denied her claim because you don't know, we're not gonna give you the claim. But after taking over the case, we fought and we got her those policy benefits fully paid out. We got her surgery covered and her missed work covered. Without our intervention, she would have been left with nothing. So please don't assume all is lost if the driver hit you doesn't have insurance, but you need to contact a seasoned attorney. So what can you do? You can contact us today. We're going to review your policy and your legal options. It's free. We give free consultations, and it can make all the difference in your recovery. So please like this video, subscribe to it, leave us questions down in the comments. We're always here to help Texans protect themselves, and we'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.